Yeah, I got more records in the KGB. So, no funny business. You already are.